What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to give you two very powerful strategies to know exactly what you should start selling online, even if you're, brand new, first-time digital marketer, and how to make sure that it's actually going to sell. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Saul Sanchez, and I make videos about marketing, business, and personal finance. So if you're new and you enjoy that kind of content, make sure to hit the subscribe button below, and you'll be updated when I release a new video. All right, so let's get right into the video. The purpose of this video is so you know with absolute clarity what you should be selling online and how to know the first time that it's gonna sell, so you're not like creating something that no one wants. I see a lot of people that they're always kind of consuming information in terms of how to make money online, all this kind of stuff, but they never take action because they're thinking way too much. They think about, oh, I need to get the perfect product, the perfect offer in order to start selling, and they never try anything at all. They think there's like some winning combination that they have to kind of unlock, but there's a lot of different ways you can make money online and you can sell to people, and I'm gonna show you two very powerful strategies to figure that out. All right, so the first strategy, before I even get into what it actually is, I wanna highlight the biggest problem that people make in general first, okay? And that biggest problem that people make is that they come up with a product or a service to actually sell before they even know who to sell it to and who's actually gonna buy. I see so many people come up with products and services that they think are cool, that they think will sell, that they would buy themselves, but they don't actually know if it's something that can be sold to the masses or even like a niche. They don't even know if it can actually be sold to a specific niche or anything like that. So then when it comes to marketing it, they have no idea which angle to take, how to actually present it to them, and if they're gonna even like it in the first place. So the proper way to do it is to actually find the market first, think about who you want to serve, find out what their problems are, okay, what do they need help with, and then you deliver a solution to that problem, whether it's a product or a service, but you know now that they're actually gonna buy it because you're specifically filling in that gap that they told you that they have. So with that being said, the first thing that you need to do before you even think about what kind of product should I create, what kind of service should I give to people, the first thing you need to do is find a hot market where people are actually spending money and buying. So there's a lot of different markets that you can get into. So to give you kind of an exercise in terms of figuring that out, you can look into here. So this is the three markets, okay? So let me just move this here so you can see this real quick. The three markets. So what this means is that every single market, no matter what it is, somehow, some way falls into one of these three categories: wealth, health, and relationships. And if it doesn't, and if you find something that doesn't, then I promise you, you should not sell that thing. You should not serve that market because it is not a hot market that people are actually going to be giving you money. So it's great to know these three markets because when you are actually marketing to someone and you're putting out messaging to sell to someone, it's always good to know what are the deeper benefits to that thing that you're offering, okay? So for me personally, I work with real estate agents. I help them, get more leads, get more clients, all that kind of stuff with digital marketing. So my service is digital marketing, but I am helping them to close more deals, which means making more money. And ultimately that is falling under the wealth category, okay? So I'm always keeping that in mind. Even though I'm thinking about selling marketing services, in my head, when I'm marketing and I'm putting out messaging, I always keep in mind that I'm contributing to their desire for wealth, okay? These three markets are also called the three desires. Once you picked one of these three things, the health, wealth, and relationships, there's gonna be different categories within them. So for example, if we pick wealth, right? There's so many things within wealth. Maybe there's real estate. There's stock trading maybe. There's Forex trading. There's make money online niche. So anyway, you get the point. So for this first strategy, we are not going to niche down as of yet. We are going to deal with the categories, okay? And we're going to do what's called an ask campaign. So what an ask campaign is we literally find a hot market and ask them what they want. And it sounds so simple because it actually is. Not a lot of people actually do this, and that's why they fail, because everyone wants to come up with their own service that they want to sell, that they want people to buy, but they don't actually know if people want to buy it. What you ask them about has to somehow relate to what you do. So for me personally, because I'm in the marketing and lead generation space and that's my expertise, what I would do is go to this market and ask them, okay, what are your biggest struggles when it comes to lead generation? What are your biggest struggles when it comes to getting more clients? What are your biggest questions about marketing online? Because you got to realize there's so many different ways that I can sell marketing to these people. Maybe their struggle is getting leads through the door. Maybe it's actually converting the leads into actual appointments and actual clients. Maybe it's something completely different that I don't even know about. And that's why I'm asking, because I don't know about it. They need to tell me what their problems are. My view of marketing and my view of the world is very different than theirs because I'm actually in this space 24/7. Okay, so what I think is very basic and that everyone should know, they might think is a very complex subject that they have no idea how to do it. So I might overlook a lot of things that they need to tell me that they actually need help with. So what an ask campaign literally is literally a survey that you're getting someone to fill out. Okay, so you can go into different Facebook groups, you can even run an ad to this and kind of just give an incentive for someone to actually fill out this survey. So maybe you're promising that they're gonna get the service for free in the future, they're gonna get your product for free in the future, or a discount, whatever it is, incentivize them to actually take action. All they gotta do is fill out a survey and that's it. Now, if you don't have a skill that is like monetizable already and you don't know what you wanna sell to the market that you find, what I would do is find the market already, like we said, but instead ask very open-ended questions, okay? So for example, let's just say we're working with personal trainers. One of my questions that I may ask them is like literally just, what are your biggest struggles as a personal trainer? You can also ask something like, if you can wave a magic wand and make something in your business like 100 times easier or eliminate it completely, what would it be? And also what you can ask is like, what do you hate most about your job, okay? Because that's also a powerful question because they're in personal training probably because they really like it. But the thing that they hate doing and that is like kind of stopping them from having complete contentment with their job, that's probably something that they would pay money to get rid of. So that's also a very powerful question to ask. So to recap that first strategy, all you're doing is finding a hot market, asking them what they want, and then giving it to them and selling it to them. So please, I know this is abundantly simple, but it's simple and it works. And if you do it, you'll be successful, so just do it. All right, so strategy number 2 is called re-niching existing offerings, okay? So what that means is, first of all, we gotta think about the niches that we can actually serve. So we've already talked about the markets, the categories, all that kind of stuff. So now we're dealing with the actual niches that we're gonna be getting into, okay? So within all of these categories right here, there's all these different niches that you can kind of subdivide these into. So for example, if we're talking about making money online, we can have a niche for affiliate marketing. We can have a niche for drop shipping. We can have a niche for Amazon FBA. And come to think of it, stock trading and Forex can either be a niche within Make Money Online, or it can be its own category, and then you can have different trading strategies and all that kind of stuff. So there's so many different ways to look at it. Anyway, what we're doing in this strategy is we're thinking about the end in mind first. So what niche market do we want to actually serve? And it's important that it's a niche, okay? It's not really going to work with categories. And I'll tell you why in just a second. So first of all, let's just say we want to, let's target affiliate marketing, okay? So this is our niche. So what we want to do is we want to find different products or services that are already proven to work. They're already doing very well, but they are tailored to the categories. So they're tailored, in this case, maybe not Make Money Online, but in this case, the category might be digital marketing in general. So digital marketing, that is a very broad sort of market to get into. There are so many different types of digital marketing, and everyone who is in digital marketing could be serving different niches, different sorts of local businesses, all this kind of stuff. So this is a very broad topic. So what we want to do in this strategy is find out what is already proven to sell that is being tailored to the digital marketing industry as a whole. So a great example, if you literally go to digitalmarketer.com, their entire website is pretty general in terms of digital marketing. Like, it's tailored to absolutely everyone and anyone who uses online marketing, digital marketing, and they can use it for whatever industry. So a strategy would be to take that offer and to repackage it, re-niche it for the actual niche that you're going to get into. So for example, let's just say someone has a course out there that's already proven to sell, it's making a lot of money, and we already know that for a fact, whatever it is. There's a lot of students in there, but it's being tailored to everyone. It's being tailored to the general digital marketing population. So what we can do is use that existing offer as something we're going to model after. And then we want to repackage it to tailor it to the affiliate marketing kind of world. So what we can do is create a Facebook ads course for affiliate marketers. And that's what it's literally going to be titled. And because we are calling this market out specifically, they feel like it's much better of an actual product for them than this thing would be over here, like this Facebook ads course that is more general. So this market right here, whenever they're presented the two options, whether to have a Facebook ads course that is specifically for them or to buy the one over here that is tailored to absolutely anyone, they are always going to pick the niche one because it's specifically calling them out. And they feel like, okay, this person must be an expert in our space, and these ads are going to be 10 times better than the ones over here because these are what I need. So I want to stress that you're not just copying this course and delivering it to these people over here and naming it something different. You're literally reteaching it, putting it into your own words and reteaching it so it's more specific to these people so they can actually better use it. You are creating a new product still. But the idea and what you're actually coming up with comes from these actual categories right here, okay? To give you another example, let's just go to Clickbank right here. One thing that you can do is go to Clickbank, see all these different affiliate offers. Let's go to the marketplace right here. So you can come in here and let's say, for example, we're going into health and fitness and we want to go into diets and weight loss. So what we can do is, for example, let's go into this one. So this is the custom keto diet, and we already know that they're selling very well because they're one of the top products on Clickbank. So that tells us very quickly that they're doing well. But the thing to keep in mind is that they are tailoring their offer to pretty much the masses, okay? It's the keto diet. It is specific in terms of the actual diet itself, but in terms of who they are targeting, in terms of the target market, they're pretty much targeting anyone who would be interested in keto. So another example could be is like taking this same concept of the custom keto diet, but repackaging it and tailoring it to another niche market. So for example, the keto diet for single moms, the keto diet for athletes, the keto diet for teenagers. There's so many different things that you can niche down into, and the same concept applies. Once you get specific and you're specifically calling them out, whenever you present the two options between something that is tailored to them and something that is tailored to the masses, they are always going to pick the niche offering that you're presenting in front of them. So anyway, I encourage you to go to Clickbank, look at all the different offers that are selling very well, and then take note, is it selling to a specific audience or is it being tailored to the masses? If it is tailored to the masses, then there's a very good chance that if you were to repackage it for a niche, it would do very well and you're actually going to make sales because it's already proven, and now you're just making that offer even better and more specific to the people that you're going after. All right, guys, that is it for this video. Hopefully you guys got some ideas in terms of what you guys can be selling online and how to actually do your research so you know what to sell the first time instead of playing all these guessing games and all that kind of stuff. If you want to know more about how you can get started with making money online and how to use sales funnels and create these different offers very quickly, I encourage you to check the One Funnel Away Challenge. It's going to be in my description below. There's also different bonuses within there. If you use my link, I'm going to explain that in the description, so make sure to check that out. If you got any sort of value, any sort of takeaway that you got from this video, make sure to hit the like button and also comment down below. Let me know what that was. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.